Who doesn't love to receive a beautiful bouquet, particularly when it's really fragrant? I want to give you an idea of thinking outside the box with regard to bouquets by integrating lots of beautiful herbs. We're going to start by taking a piece of brown craft paper. What I'm doing here is I'm just going to cut this into a square. The size of this will depend on the size of bouquet you want to create. But I'm just taking about a 14-inch square piece of paper, and with that I'm going to do a bouquet of herbs that I just gathered out of the garden. I'm going to use some thyme, some beautiful rosemary. I wish you could smell how gorgeous this is. Taking my spiky rosemary, which is the tallest, and I'm putting it toward the back of this bouquet. Then I'm going to add some of this beautiful gray colored sage. It's so aromatic, and I love the contrast. See, texture is so important, just as important as color in my opinion. And then what we might do is add some of this ferny, soft, ethereal looking dill. So as I create the bouquet, I just hold it tightly. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this off. They're all the same length. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of this floral tape and I'm going to tie the bundle together. Just a couple of rounds of that. And then to make the bouquet presentable, what I'm going to do is take a sandwich bag and a little bit of paper towel that I'm going to moisten, some water. I'm going to wrap the bottom stems of this, drop it in the sandwich bag like this. We'll have a little extra plastic with the sandwich bag, and so I'll just pull that around. And I'm going to take a piece of this jute, tie this off securely. Now with the moisture in here, the bouquet will last much longer. Okay, now let's talk about the presentation. I'm going to take the bouquet and lay it roughly the center point of this diagonal 14-inch square. I'm going to fold off the corners like this, just to give it a nicer little presentation edge. I'm going to fold it over like this and take the bottom up and then pull the left side over and around like that. So you can see we have a craft paper cone for it, and now it's just a matter of tying it off with another piece of this jute twine. Now to make it even more special, you can add your favorite flowers to this bouquet, like white tulips are a classic. They blend beautifully with the sage, the dill, the rosemary, and the thyme. And there you have it, a beautiful and fragrant bouquet, something that's a little out of the ordinary.